Welcome to Okuma. My name is Yannick Laubach and I'm a product specialist at Okuma Europe. Today I will introduce the LB4000 EX III, live on EMO 2025, where precision meets performance. The LB4000 is a high-performance lathe engineered for accuracy, flexibility and productivity. It's the ideal solution for complex part machining and mass production and custom manufacturing environments. With its powerful main spindle, optional Y-axis and the newest option of counter spindle, the LB4000 EX III offers maximum flexibility. The thermally stable design ensures consistency even with long-running times. The LB4000 EX is easy to automate, whether with a gantry loader, robot or in a production cell. In summary, the Okuma LB4000 EX offers strong performance, reliable results and is ready for the future, all in one machine. If you want to learn more about Okuma, visit us at EMO 2025 in Hannover, Hall 14, booth D28 or contact us via info@okuma.eu. See you soon at EMO.